how much should you actually spend on LED under cabinet lighting? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, M-Gore 10-inch under cabinet lights. Let's kick things off with the M-Gore 10-inch under cabinet lighting. At just $16.99, this 2-pack caught my eye with its sleek design and rechargeable features. If you're looking for something that adds convenience and safety in dark spaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product is a solid choice for you. It features an upgraded motion sensor that activates the lights when it detects movement within 10 feet, making it a lifesaver in dim areas like kitchens or hallways. Plus, the always-on mode means you can use it for tasks like reading or cooking without fumbling for a switch. And with 5 brightness levels, from soft nightlight to bright task lighting, you can customize the ambiance to suit your needs. With over 10,000 units sold in the last month, it's already making waves. Now, some reviewers mention that the battery life can vary significantly based on usage. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind recharging occasionally, it's a minor inconvenience for the convenience you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that's easy to install. But skip this one if you need something that can last for weeks without a recharge. For $16.99, it's a great deal. Now, if the battery life concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, MC-Gore 14.7-inch motion sensor light. The MC-Gore 14.7-inch rechargeable motion sensor light, priced at $24.99. What caught my attention here is the longer length and additional brightness. If you want a more powerful lighting solution, this is definitely worth considering. This product brings the same motion sensor technology, but steps it up with 63 LED lights, providing more illumination for larger areas. The motion detection works similarly, activating within 10 feet, and it can last up to 45 days on a single charge in sensor mode. That's some serious longevity. Plus, the 5 levels of brightness give you the flexibility to adjust the lighting for any task. As a bonus, it's also super easy to install with built-in magnets or adhesive plates. However, some users felt that it could be a bit too bright for nighttime use. Here's my take. If you're using it primarily for tasks, the brightness is a plus, but if you're sensitive to light while sleeping, you might want to dim it down. This is perfect for you if you need strong lighting in larger spaces like kitchens or closets, but skip this one if you're looking for something softer for nighttime use. At $24.99, it offers great value for the power you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want color options. Product number 3, M-Gore 10-inch warm white light. Let's check out another M-Gore model, the 10-inch under cabinet lighting, but this one offers a warm white light, priced at $17.99. This caught my eye for its cozy ambiance. If you want to create a warm, inviting space, this is worth a look. Similar to the previous models, it has a fantastic motion sensor that lights up when you walk by, and it can also be set to always-on mode. But what really stood out is the dimming capability, allowing you to choose the brightness that works best for your needs. The warm light is perfect for places where you want a relaxed feel, like bedrooms or living rooms. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's gaining popularity for good reason. One downside some users mentioned is that the warm light might not be bright enough for detailed tasks. But here's the thing, if you're using it for ambiance rather than precise work, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want to create a cozy atmosphere in your living spaces, but skip this one if you need bright lights for detailed tasks. For $17.99, it's a solid buy for that warm glow. Now, if the color temperature is a big deal for you, the next option offers even more flexibility.
Product number 4, brighten 10.2-inch under cabinet lighting. The brighten 10.2-inch under cabinet lighting, available for $16.99. This one grabbed my attention with its adjustable color temperature feature. If you're looking for versatility, this might be the one for you. The brighten model offers 3 different color temperatures, warm, cool, and mixed, allowing you to customize the light to match your mood or activity. Plus, it has 84 super bright LEDs, which means it can light up even larger spaces effectively. The motion sensor works well, activating within 10 feet, so you're covered on the convenience front too. And did I mention it has 4 modes? You can set it to always on, night sensing, day sensing, or off, giving you great control over when and how you use the light. However, a few users pointed out that charging can take some time. Honestly, if you don't mind waiting a bit for the charge, the features make it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you want a light that can adapt to different activities and settings. But skip this one if you need something that charges quickly. At $16.99, the flexibility it offers is a great bargain. Now, if you want something with a bit more functionality, let's finish up with an option that includes a power display.
Product number 5, ZOUE Motion Sensor Light. We have the ZOUE Motion Sensor Light, a 10-inch option priced at $22.77. What stood out here is the built-in power display feature. If you want to keep track of battery life, this is a solid choice. This light operates on a similar motion sensor principle, turning on when you approach and off shortly after you leave. It offers 3 color temperature options and a dimming function, which gives you the ability to set the mood. What's also cool is the 1800 milliamp battery that can last up to 50 days in motion sensing mode. And with the power display, you can easily check how much battery you have left. That's a feature I didn't know I needed until now. Some users found the installation a bit tricky, especially on non-metal surfaces. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, it's very user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want a light that helps you manage its battery life. But skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY installation. At $22.77, it's a smart investment for its features.
There you have it, 5 solid options for under-cabinet lighting. From budget-friendly picks like the MG Gore 10-inch to the feature-rich ZOUE, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to consider what best fits your needs, whether it's battery life, brightness, or ambiance. Happy illuminating!